you gonna wanna.
Run that back turbo.
I'm gonna wanna fuck her too. Shit.
What's going on? It's Kim from Hoodrich Smoke Shop and Hoodrich Clothing and Hoodrich Custom Styles. You're now tuned into our YouTube channel, and today I'm just going to be explaining the equipment that I use to make my custom t-shirts and the stuff for my clothing line. So right here you have my heat presser. It's made by Hoodrich. It's called the Fusion IQ. It's a real great heat presser. The most important thing I like about it is that I can slide my bed out, actually pull my t-shirt out, whatever, so I don't have to worry about burning my fingers or going through none of that, because some of them just regularly pop up. All of them don't slide out like this. Also, another cool feature is I can actually swing this around just to give you a little extra more room when you pulling your stuff out. Say you're making a large garment, you ain't gotta worry about burning yourself or bumping it to the heat press, knocking it over. And that's another good thing I like about it too, is when you're making something, as you can see, it locks all the way down. So it gives your shirt, it gives your item that good deep press that actually gets the heat all the way into the shirt. So that's something that I really like about it. Another good thing about this is you can actually put the pressure. So if you want your pressure to be at a certain level, or if it like with my printer, it allows you to have your pressure at like a 5 or a 6. Some heat pressers don't allow you to, it just allows you to change how hard you want it down. But this right here, it allows you to really get to the certain pressure that you want on your t-shirt, and just make sure you get enough heat on the garment. Make sure you getting heat all the way around the garment, because sometimes the heat is just get on certain places. So it's real good when it comes to stuff like that. Alright, now we're gonna get into the printer that I use. This is it is an IKEA printer, or Okia, IKI, however you want to say it. It's a digital heat FX. It is an 8432 printer. The feature that I love about this printer, and I did a lot of research before I bought it, is that the fact that you can print on black and white shirts with the same paper. And that's very hard to find with any any heat transfer printer, or like screen. I didn't like screen printing because it takes up a lot of space. It takes up a lot of mess. As you can see, I'm working with a little bit of space. So that's another good thing I like about this printer, is the space, and then the fact that it's toner and not ink. And with toner, it lasts 10 times longer. So toner is like a powder, and it's like 4 or 5 different colors that mixes together, and it brings all one colors together. So with these toners, I'll buy a toner, and the toner probably lasts me almost 6 months. And that's pretty good compared to having to buy a bunch of ink cartridges every day with this sublimation machines, and just going through a lot of, knick-knacks. So I'm so glad I did a lot of research and I went with this machine. With the printer that I got this printer from a company called Coleman and Company. We'll drop the link below. They have a package deal. If you get the package deal, you'll get a discount on the paper for the rest of your life. It's lifetime. So if you get the package deal, these packs probably like $400 or $500, but if you get the package deal, you will get the package for $369. So it's another good thing I love about it is you can print multiple colors. You don't have to worry about treating your t-shirts or doing anything crazy. These just a couple different images that I done printed out using this printer. As you can see, that's black that kind of fades into red. So it prints out anything, any different color, whatever you're trying to print out. This is a great printer. You can also make a mini printer. Again, it's made by Okia, IKO. It's a digital heat effects, and it's a 8432 toner printer. Do not take ink, it takes toner. Alright, now we're going to talk about the laptop that I use to make my t-shirts. I got right here just a regular HP laptop. I bought this laptop from Walmart, probably like close to $300. It's a great laptop. I use it. I had to get an HP laptop because that's what worked with this printer. This printer doesn't work with Mac. So that's just a heads up. If you're thinking about buying this printer, you're probably going to have to get you an HP if you don't already have your HP. But that's what servers work better with this Okia printer. It prints right out with no problem. I feel like Mac just might be a little bit too updated, complicated for that printer, but the HP comes in fine. I try to leave mine plugged up so it doesn't go dead, which is a good and a bad thing. But I hate when my I hate when my laptop goes dead in the middle of my work. I know you guys do too. Another good printer that I use that comes in handy is my Canon printer. It's the MX49 I got this printer for $40 off of Amazon. Literally $40. They got them in Staples for probably about the same price. It's a regular inkjet printer. And the good thing that I use about this printer that comes in handy, because people think that you need a label printer. You don't. I use this right here printer all the time to print out my labels for my online orders. It really comes in handy when you're just trying to print documents out, packing slips for your orders, just anything regular that you just have to print out. But another trick that I use, a life hack, that people really think that you need a label printer, which is what I have here, which is not the right size, but you literally can print all of your orders out from a regular inkjet printer like I have here. So don't ever think that you need an actual label printer with the sticky bag. You need some tape, some regular paper, and an inkjet printer, and you can print your labels out for your online orders. Alright, well this is just a wrap up of all the machines. So right here we have our Hactronics Fusion IQ heat presser. Right here we have our HP laptop. Down at the bottom we have our Canon MX492 inkjet printer. And behind me we have our Okia OKI Digital Heat FX 8432 heat transfer printer. And these are all the machines I use on my day-to-day basis to make all of my custom t-shirts, Hoodrich clothing, online orders, anything custom you can think of. This is what I use. This is what I suggest you go buy. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. We will drop some links below for the links for you can find some of these products. And also stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Appreciate you.